Coronavirus! Coronavirus! I'm telling you, shit is real! Shit is getting real! Woo!
To pop in here really quick it's a random day, it's a random Thursday, and I wanted to pop in here really quick and let y'all know what's going down. Okay, it's Thursday, and as you can see, it's kind of cloudy outside because a storm is brewing.
It's a twister. It's a twister.
This traffic is picking up because anytime a storm is coming to town, these folks start acting crazy. Like, storm gonna come and blow all the grocery stores away and all the gas stations away. So I am on my way because we have to go to G Mama's house right quick and check P.O. box, and then we got to go pick up grocery because I did a grocery order earlier. So if we do get this big huge storm and we stuck in the house, at least we got food and whatnot. So I went ahead and did a grocery pickup, so we're gonna do that later. Hopefully you all had a wonderful Thursday. Hopefully you all had a wonderful week. Your girl got homework, but that's okay. That ain't nobody's business but mine and the Lord's. So yeah,
Mind your business, that's all, just mind your business.
so yeah, I just wanted to pop in here. And of course, with these city streets, I hit a bump and y'all go bouncing all over. Oh no, man. Excuse me, Lord. The doggone neighborhood.
You just watch your mouth, mister.
Anyway, hopefully you all are having a wonderful Thursday, and it's being productive. So I meant to tell y'all, come back later. It's later, but
it's late.
Ooh, copyright. Cut that off. I meant to tell y'all, come back earlier and tell y'all what was going on. And
what's going on today?
That I got the package over
I am
here.
not the package. You about me.
But anyway, we are
I put the wrong color on.
picking up our groceries now, waiting on them to be brought to the car
Yes.
whenever Homie want to bring it to the car.
Why we have a yellow box around our face?
Why? Because it's focusing on our faces. Why are you waving?
Because it's what I do. Is this how food comes?
Praise is what I do. Here she comes with my groceries.
Hallelujah.
Hold that thought. America, don't you hate when you order your groceries, you go to pick them up, and they ain't got half of the stuff that you wanted? I am upset.
Well, get over it. They don't.
I is upset.
I told you everybody was gonna be getting groceries because of this.
I mean, but why they had to get the specific stuff I wanted?
Well,
Why y'all couldn't get something else?
you're not the only person in America that eats that stuff.
Mad.
Get over it.
Mad girl. Good evening, sunshine. Oh, I'm getting out so we can switch sides. So we're out here in these streets for not a sip and see. Y'all can't hear me. Not a sip and see, but a honking wave for my cousin's birthday. We wanted to get together to show him some love. Like I said in a previous vlog, A lot has been going on in 2020, so when you can have the time to show love, appreciation, you do just that. You take it.
Mm-hmm.
So we're seeing family and friends and whatnot gathered together for a joyous occasion. Okay, so we're all lined up here. It's a great deal of us, actually. So we're waiting to pull around. I'm gonna set you guys up. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna pull around and honk and wave.
Honk and wave.
I keep wanting to say sip and see, but that ain't what this is.
Now, this is a honk and a... See, my waving coming in handy.
She's so extra, y'all.
But
it's a productive Friday. It was a very productive
nobody.
Friday. Very productive week. You
Is
guys,
that
I got all my
Rosie?
homework done.
I see Robin.
Free weekend, hallelujah. When he do it, yes he will. How was your day, Patricia?
Yeah, my day was wonderful because, listen, first of all, I got up and got ready for work.
Mm-hmm.
Had to turn around and go home.
Why did
But
you
it
have to
was
go
okay.
home, Patricia?
Because I didn't know we were working from home, but it's okay.
Hey, Roosevelt.
What's going on?
How y'all doing?
Fist bump.
Good.
Fist bump.
Good to see y'all.
Good. Hey. It's not cousin, y'all. It's not cousin. Hey. Good.
Been
More
doing
family
good. Can't
over
complain.
there.
Can't complain. It's been going
So we got a good turnout, you guys.
It's been going, yeah.
We're about to be on the move in just a minute or two.
We're going to tell them happy birthday. Where the horn is? Right there.
Yes, it's where the horn symbol is.
I have told you
Oh.
about coming for me. One of these days, I'm going to go
Copyright. Can't have that.
right in the smacker.
Can't have that.
I am
Because
going
baby,
to...
YouTube loves to
Yeah,
tell
she
me
was getting down on it.
I have a copyright claim. No, ma'am. So we're moving. Slowly but surely, but we're moving. Woo! It's a little bumpy, y'all.
Little rough, little
Uh-oh,
rough.
I'm
rough,
glad I'm
rough,
not driving.
rougher. Why?
Because my mind was prepared to go that way. So it's a good thing I'm not driving because you do this better than I do.
Yeah, you just vlog, baby.
I'm just gonna vlog it. I'm just gonna vlog it. Stay with it, Patricia.
Patricia's with
Woo! Whipping and work. She whipping and work. Hey. So we're riding. As you can see, the wind beneath thine hair.
Let me pull that up because they may not be able to hear you with that wind.
Oh yeah, I don't know if you can hear me. I'm talking loud enough.
Okay, but you know the wind sometimes overtakes.
Let me tell y'all, Patricia tried to talk about me today, saying my pigtails weren't cute.
No, I did not say
She
they were
said-
not cute.
She said, my baby. She said, them ain't cute, girl. Them ain't for you, girl.
You're not 17 anymore.
Ooh,
That's what
a
I'm saying.
read.
You know.
A read. Patricia is reading me.
Yeah.
This is so nice. So nice.
Family.
Family. Family. Family. Family. Oh,
Oh, is it? I didn't know you were going.
family.
Family.
Where is she going with the dog?
She walking the dog.
That ain't my business.
Mm-mm. She called your name.
Family.
Hey.
Family. I don't know. Family. Uncle Aaron, if you're watching this, we sorry.
It's been 20 years.
We're sorry. We need tune up. Tune up.
Family.
Hey.
Family.
Family. Family. No, you family.
Family. I forget it.
You're family.
Family.
Family. Family. Family. Family.
One more family.
Then she changes the key. I'm not finna play with Patricia and
Whatever,
she.
whatever.
We'll come back when we get
Don't
to
nobody
the
know
parade,
it. We
y'all.
sung that song 10
We'll be
years.
back in
It's been 15,
after these short
20
messages.
years. We find the home.
Lord, Trisha trying to find the horn. Jesus, help her find it, Lord.
Aww. What they throwing?
I don't know. That went by so fast, but it was nice though.
It was.
He looked happy.
He did.
So we're excited. It went by so fast, y'all. I was trying to film. I don't know how good that footage is, but I tried. Take it for love, cuz. Take it for love.
Happy birthday, Carrie.
Cause Trisha be driving like nobody's business.
I'm trying to keep up and fucking stay not run over.
Woo! My Lord.
Let me pull over.
Just
You
whipping.
You can't take over.
Whipping.
See, she's riding, not mine.
Whipping. Oh no, she would like to relax.
Man, please stop slinging that hair before you cut my eyeballs off.
She would like to relax. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. No, thank you.
No, thank you. Y'all, we were supposed to be giving cuz a gift, and he handed out a little gift to us. It's so cute. It says, hold on, I don't know if you can see that. Thank you for rolling by, Big K.
Oh.
Look, you can tell we country. We got your double mint gum, your Lay's tater chips.
Your words is original and your peppermint.
All I need is Coca-Cola.
Hey.
Coca-Cola.
It's Toto.
See, they raised you right in the country. Okay?
Now they raised you right in the city, so don't do that. Don't do that.
We don't know nothing about that city life. But we're Southern Bells.
Nah,
Southern hospitality.
That was so sweet. I feel bad. I felt the love.
I felt the love.
Down in my heart.
Down in my heart.
Down in my heart.
Down in my soul.
Alrighty then.
I went through with my song.
I know. That's enough, baby. That's enough.
Oh, what else?
You gotta know when to fold them and hold
I
them.
need me.
Kenny Rogers told y'all. You gotta know when to hold them and fold them.
You got to know when to hold them.
Now, Kenny can
Know
sing.
when to...
You know, I'm a Kenny G and a Charlie Parton fan. Don't do that. Don't be messing up that song.
She tries me so much.
I'm not trying him to say don't play with that.
She has a vocal in these streets. Let's not get it twisted.
I don't. You hide behind the curtain.
All you gotta do is visit Greater Mount Zion Missionary Baptist Church.
Then everybody know church is closed right now.
On
They're closed
what's
right
our
now.
church address? I don't know our church. What church?
I don't know. It's Dry Grove Road. I don't know.
Some Raymond, Mississippi.
You so pitiful.
39154.
We don't know the address.
I don't know if
But I
Pastor
can
gonna
tell
see
you
this,
this.
but excuse me, Pastor. I don't know the address. Excuse me.
But they got a P.O.
Excuse
box.
me,
I don't know it either. I don't know the post office box.
I don't know the post office box.
I think it's 248, but I'm not sure.
Excuse the
Do
Pastor.
not quote me.
Take it for love. Take it for
Take it for love. That
love.
was the thing to say.
Take it for love.
Take it for love. We are going to learn the address to our church and the phone number because it's a new too.
We ain't really gotta learn that phone number. Nobody answer that phone.
Don't say that. Don't learn. Girl, he be giving out that phone number. Pastor Kelly, pray for me. Turn around, Jane. Pray for Sister Rowland.
I ain't mean to say that out loud, Lord.
This one.
Help her hard, Lord.
Help her.
Help her
He
hard.
don't answer the phone. He does answer the phone. But
Help
most
her
of the
hard,
calls go to
Lord.
his cell phone, girl. Get your life.
His cellular.
Yeah, it's 2020. We do them cell phones.
Yeah, I'm
Oh, look
just
at the birds.
extra
They are
crunk
eating in
today.
the bird.
Oh, we gotta go see Grandmama for a second.
Yeah, let's go
A
see.
quick second, girl.
hot-
Cause
but
if she
you know what? Look at the hay. They say a hot minute. Show them the hay. They ain't used to hay. Y'all don't know nobody.
Ain't nobody got time.
Listen,
Ain't nobody got time.
we're going for a hot minute.
A hot minute.
I never figured out how long.
Cause
a
she
hot
think
minute
every time
was.
somebody come to Raymond, they supposed to come see her.
and sit on the porch.
Oh,
all night long.
oh,
But
she
the mosquitoes
spoiled.
And the love bugs.
Oh,
She ain't got no candle.
but she better be glad it's a cool day.
What you talking
Huh.
about?
This is the day of the awards.
I will.
Oh.
rejoice.
Notice the shirt. Always repping. The illustrious.
Show my shirt, please.
Oh, we both repping the illustrious.
D.I. love. Hallelujah.
Cutie music.
They the only one, baby. They the only one, baby.
I'm finna get off of here acting crazy. We'll pick y'all back up at G Mama's. It was at this moment that I realized I didn't get no footage.
Why?
I guess my finger must have hit stop recording when we pulled up.
Well, at least you got the cars going to his house.
I did get the cars going to the house. After that, I didn't get nothing. Sorry, cuz. As we've been saying all day, take it for love.
Love will keep us together. No. Oh,
So we have left grandmama, and we are getting something for dinner
At the chicken and the filet house.
at Chick-fil-A in these streets. We're
it in
getting
these
curbside service because who got time for a line? Who?
Girl. And Chick-fil-A line is ridiculous. I wish I could show y'all.
Especially at this
but
time.
I don't feel like filming it.
It's ridiculous. It's really ridiculous.
It's like they're giving away 1 million chicken sandwiches, you know?
And it ain't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we ain't got nothing to do, nowhere to go, no place to be, y'all. What are y'all doing tonight? It is a chicken sandwich and a movie. 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 Hey! No? Oh, okay.
Okay.
We're going home.
So we're on the way to the house.
On our way home. On our way home. On our way home. Yeah, on our way home. On our way home. On our way home. Fix it, Jesus, fix it like you say you would.
We so saved.
Hallelujah.
Fix it, Jesus.
Fix it.
Y'all don't have mine. Right on, King Jesus. No man can hinder me. Right on, King Jesus. Right on, no man can hinder me. Right on, King Jesus. Right on, no man
Can I hinder
No
me?
man.
No man.
Can
I hinder me? No man. Hey, and I hinder me. Hallelujah! Lord! Lord! Lord, we praise! Lord, we give you glory! Hey! If you in church, you would be doing all that noise. You would not say a word.
She tries me on the regular, but I love the Lord. Hallelujah. Hey.
But I believe I'll take a trip, hallelujah, on the good old gospel ship. Come on, go with me. And we'll go sailing through the air. And when my ship comes in, what you gonna do?
I'm gonna leave this old
Where the